Hello, and welcome to our lesson on resource management and ethics and governance management. This segment will continue to cover manage team and control resources. Control resources is the process dedicated to verifying the availability of the project's designated physical resources according to the plan, overseeing the alignment of planned versus actual resource utilization, and implementing corrective measures when required. The primary advantage of this process lies in ensuring that resources are present at the designated time and place, efficiently utilized and released when no longer essential. This ongoing process spans all project phases, contributing to a seamless project lifecycle. The control resources process addresses physical resources such as equipment, materials, facilities, and infrastructure. This process complements the management of team members handled in the manage team process. Key techniques for controlling resources focus on commonly applied project practices. The continuous update of resource allocation involves assessing actual resource usage and determining remaining requirements. The core objectives of control resources encompass monitoring resource expenditures, promptly addressing shortages or surpluses, adhering to resource usage and release schedules, informing relevant stakeholders of resource-related issues, influencing factors affecting resource utilization changes, and managing changes as they occur. Various techniques applicable to this process include alternatives analysis, evaluating options to address variances in resource utilization, such as weighing overtime costs against potential delays or phased deliveries. Performance reviews, comparing planned versus actual resource utilization, utilizing cost and schedule work performance information to identify resource usage issues. Trend analysis, utilizing current performance information for trend analysis, projecting future resource needs, and assessing whether performance improves or deteriorates over time. Some outputs resulting from the control resources are work performance information encompasses project progress details by comparing resource requirements and allocation to actual utilization across project activities. This analysis reveals potential gaps in resource availability that require attention. Change requests, project management plan. Updates, project document updates. There is a noticeable shift in project management paradigms from traditional command and control structures to more collaborative and supportive approaches, empowering teams with greater decision-making authority. Additionally, contemporary project resource management strategies aim to optimize the utilization of resources. The following trends and emerging practices in project resource management are noteworthy. Resource management methods. In response to the scarcity of critical resources, various management methods have gained popularity, including lean management, just-in-time, JIT, manufacturing, Kaizen, total productive maintenance, TPM, and theory of constraints, TOC. Project managers should assess if their organization has adopted such tools and tailor their projects accordingly. Emotional intelligence, EI. Investing in personal EI, focusing on self-management, self-awareness, and relationship management is crucial for project managers. Research suggests that teams with developed emotional intelligence are more effective and experience reduced staff turnover. Self-organizing teams. The rise of agile approaches, particularly in IT projects, has led to the emergence of self-organizing teams. These teams operate without centralized control, with the project manager playing a supportive role, providing the necessary environment and trust for the team to accomplish tasks. Successful self-organizing teams typically consist of generalized specialists who adapt to changing environments and embrace feedback. Virtual teams or distributed teams. Globalization has necessitated virtual teams working on the same project but not co-located. Advancements in communication technology have made managing virtual teams feasible, offering advantages such as leveraging expertise regardless of geographic location. However, challenges include communication gaps, potential isolation, and difficulties tracking progress, particularly with time zones and cultural differences. Considerations for tailoring include diversity. Consider the diversity background of the team. Physical location. Assess the physical locations of team members and resources. Industry-specific resources. Identify unique resources required in the industry. Acquisition of team members. Determine how team members will be acquired and their commitment level. Management of team. Address team development and management, organizational tools, special needs, and diversity training. For projects with high variability, specific considerations apply. Team structures. Optimize team structures for focus and collaboration, such as self-organizing teams with generalizing specialists. Collaboration. Emphasize collaboration to boost productivity, facilitate innovative problem-solving, and adapt to rapid changes. Planning. In high variability environments, planning for physical and human resources in high variability environments becomes less predictable. Agreements for fast supply and lean methods are crucial to control costs and meet schedules. This is the end of this segment of our lesson. In the next segment, we shall discuss ethics in project management. This course is presented to you by South Europe College. Thank you for listening and see you on our next segment.